Hi, Progel Security Log Gateway extends the capabilities of the audit collection services in Microsoft System Center Operations Manager 2007 and 2012. PSLG translates and saves application event logs into security logs so that they can be stored in a database centrally managed by ACS. You need to install PSLG on each server where you want to collect those events. Before installing the product, though, it is required to perform few security activities, while enabling logging inside the single applications and adding in the event schema file used by ACS the event schema used by PSLG. In this way, you will not miss any security events displayed in the ACS reports, just because not properly formatted. PSLG is able to read logs coming from SQL Server, all versions from 2000 to 2012. Exchange Server, from 2003 to 2013. Oracle 10G and 11G, Internet Authentication Service, ASP.NET, and even syslog events in case of the integration with the Kiwi syslog server third-party application. Good, let's run the setup file to start the wizard. First window is a welcome dialog so we can quickly move on. Then we must read the license agreement, accept it and click on Next. This dialog regards mainly process configurations. Select Process Audit Backlog on first run if you want to collect all the events in the event log just after the setup has finished and the service has started. Select Process Audit Backlog on startup if you want to collect the events written in the event log while the PSLG service was down, and do it on every PSGL service startup. Select Use Local Time for Audit Registration if you want to use the server time setting for the date and time of the events. Otherwise, UTC is applied. After selecting the best for you, click on Next and we begin to choose which application we want to manage. SQL Server 2005, 2008, 2008 R2 or 2012. SQL Server 2000. Oracle 10G or 11G Exchange Server 2003 or 2007. Let's say we need to collect Exchange Server event logs. Select it and click on Next for more choices. Here we can choose to collect events coming from Internet Authentication Services, ASP.NET, Exchange Server 2010 or 2013. Just say we need to collect logon events to websites created with ASP.NET. Choose it and click on Next. Let's register our license then. We use a demo account now. Type in the owner name. And then type in the path where to find the license file. If we had just a single standard license, we could cut and paste the registration code directly in the field above. Good, click on Next now. We select the folder where to install the product. At least 100 megabytes of free disk space is required. Choose whether to install for this account only or all and then click on Next. Now the wizard is finished and the setup process will install the application. Once done, you will get a confirmation window. Now, let's see an example where PSLG catches a login failed event in a SQL Server environment. In this case, we see the event number 18456 has been recorded in the application log at an information level. This event is relative to the administrator account. At the same time, in the security log we have an entry where the source is PSLG SQL Server, and we see that is still relative to the administrator account and it's about the same error, login failed. So we can see that PSLG gets the event in the SQL application log and copies into the security log, with PSLG as the source. Now we can also see it in the ACS reporting system. At 2:51 p.m., the same time we had on the SQL application log -2 hours, due to UTC, we read about the same security event failed. The source is PSLG, the access try was to the SQL2K8 system. The account failing the access was the administrator. All as we expected then. That's all. Please, feel free to contact Progel for any technical or sales detail. Thank you.